Welcome to Slow English Listening. Hello, everyone. I am Lucas. Today, we have a new story for you. Lily and Jake are at home, but Jake does not feel very well. They need to go to the doctor. But wait, it is time for the Red Error Challenge. In this video, there are 3 mistakes. Listen carefully. Look for the words that turn red. Can you find the correct words? Write your answers in the comments below. Please like this video if you're ready. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Are you ready to help Jake? Let's go!
Good morning, Jake. Oh, you are still in bed.
Good morning, Lily. I cannot get up today.
What is the matter? Do you have a problem?
I feel very bad. My head hurts a lot.
Oh no, a headache is terrible. Do you have a fever?
I don't know. I feel very hot and then very cold.
Let me check. Yes, your face is very red.
My stomach hurts too. I think I'm very sick.
Poor Jake. You look very tired and weak.
What should I do, Lily? I want to sleep all day.
No, you need to see a professional.
Do you mean a doctor? Is it necessary?
Yes, it is. I will help you. Don't worry.
Okay. Thank you for helping me, Lily.
You are welcome. Stay here. I will go to the kitchen.
Why are you going to the kitchen?
I will get you a glass of water. Then we will call the clinic.
That is a good idea. I am very thirsty.
Drink some water and try to relax for 5 minutes. Hello, is this the city medical clinic?
Yes, it is. How can I help you today?
I would like to make an appointment for my friend.
Of course. Is it an emergency?
He has a bad headache and a fever. He feels very sick.
I understand. Can he come to the clinic at 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock is perfect. Thank you very much.
What is your friend's name, please?
His name is Jake. Jake Miller.
Okay, Jake is on the list for 10 o'clock.
Does he need to bring anything?
Yes, please bring his medical documents and ID card.
Thank you for your help. We will be there soon.
You are welcome. See you later. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Jake, good news. We have an appointment. Put on your jacket and shoes. The car is ready. Here we are, Jake. This is the clinic.
Wow, it is very big and very clean.
Yes, it is a very modern building.
Look at all these people. Are they all sick?
Some people are sick and some are here for a checkup.
I feel a bit nervous, Lily. I don't like hospitals.
Don't be nervous. The doctors here are very kind.
I hope so. My head still hurts a lot.
Look, the floor is very shiny. Be careful.
I see. There are many chairs over there.
That is the waiting area. But first, we must go to the desk.
Which desk? There are many people in blue uniforms.
The big desk under the sign that says reception.
Oh, I see it now. The lady there looks very friendly.
Exactly. Let's go and talk to her.
Should I give her my name now?
Yes, and tell her about your appointment at 10 o'clock.
Okay, I have my documents in my pocket.
Perfect. You are doing great, Jake. Hello. We have an appointment for Jake Miller at 10 o'clock.
Hello. Yes, I see his name here. How are you feeling today, Mr. Miller?
Not very well. I have a headache and I am very tired.
I am sorry to hear that. I need some information first. Can you give me your identification, please?
Yes, of course. Here is my ID cake.
Wait, Jake. What did you say?
Sorry? Did you say a cake?
Oh, I am so sorry. I am very confused today. I mean, here is my ID card.
No problem, Mr. Miller. It happens when people are sick. Thank you. Please take a seat in the waiting room.
See, Jake? You need a doctor. You are talking about food.
I know, Lily. I think my brain is sleeping.
Don't worry. The doctor will see you in a few minutes. Let's sit here, Jake. These chairs are quite comfortable.
I hope the doctor is fast. My head is heavy.
Look around, Jake. The clinic is very quiet.
Yes, it is. But I don't like the smell of hospitals.
That is the smell of alcohol and medicine. It means everything is clean.
I see a nurse over there. She's talking to a small boy.
She is very kind. See? The boy is smiling now.
That is good. I feel a little bit better now.
Drink some more water, Jake. It is important.
Thank you, Lily. You are a very good friend.
I am happy to help. Look, the door of the consultation room is opening.
Is it my turn?
Yes, the doctor is looking at his list.
I am ready. Let's go and see what is wrong.
Don't worry, I will go with you.
Good morning. Please come in and sit down.
Good morning, doctor. This is my friend Jake.
Nice to meet you, Jake. My name is Dr. Smith.
Nice to meet you too, doctor.
So, Jake, tell me, how can I help you today?
I feel very sick. I have a bad headache and a fever.
I see. When did the pain start?
It started this morning after I woke up.
Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, my stomach hurts and I feel very cold.
Okay, I need to check your temperature and listen to your heart.
Is it serious, doctor?
I don't know yet. Let's do a quick examination. Okay, Jake, please sit on the tall bed. I want to check your throat.
My throat? Is that where the problem is?
Maybe. Please open your mouth very wide.
Wait, doctor. Did you say a mouse?
A mouse? Like a small animal?
Oh, my apologies. I am thinking about my cat at home. I mean, please open your mouth, Jake. Say, ah.
Ah, ah, ah. That was funny. I thought you wanted to see a pet.
No pets in the clinic, I promise. Your throat looks very red.
Is that why he has a fever, doctor?
Yes, it is an infection. Now I will listen to your chest. Please take a deep breath. In and out.
My chest feels a bit heavy when I breathe.
That is normal when you are sick. Now I will check your ears.
Do you have a small light for that?
Yes, I do. Stay very still, please.
You're doing great, Jake. Almost finished.
Your ears are fine. But you definitely have a strong virus.
Is there a medicine for this virus?
Yes, I will write a prescription for you now. Well, Jake, the good news is that you will be fine.
That is a relief. What do I need to do?
You need to rest for 3 days. No work and no exercise.
I will make sure he stays in bed, doctor.
Great. And you must take these pills twice a day.
I must take the pills? Are they delicious?
Doctor, I think you mean the medicine, right?
Oh, silly me. I am looking at my computer screen. I mean, you must take these pills twice a day. After breakfast and after dinner. Oh,
Oh, thank God. I thought I had to eat paper.
no paper for dinner, Jake. Just the medicine.
Should he drink a lot of water too?
Yes, water and orange juice are very good for you right now.
Can I eat ice cream? My throat is very hot.
Maybe a little bit, but warm soup is much better.
I will cook some chicken soup for you, Jake.
You are the best, Lily. Thank you, doctor.
You are welcome. Here's your paper. Go to the pharmacy now.
We have the prescription now. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome, Lily. Remember, Jake, lots of rest and
I promise, doctor. I will be a very good patient.
good. Take the medicine for 5 days and you will feel strong again.
Should I come back next week?
Only if you still feel sick. But I think you will be okay.
Let's go to the pharmacy downstairs and buy the pills.
Can we buy some orange juice too? I really want some.
Of course. We will buy juice, soup, and everything you need.
I feel better already because I know what the problem is.
That is the power of a good diagnosis. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, doctor. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye. Thank you for your help.
Come on, Jake. Lean on me. Let's go home. Carefully, Jake. Step by step. How do you feel now?
I actually feel better already. The air outside is so fresh.
That is good, but we still need to go to the pharmacy.
Is it far from here? My legs are a bit weak.
No, it is just around the corner. We need to buy your medicine.
Right, the pills, not the bills.
Exactly. I am glad you are joking again.
I want to go home, drink my juice, and sleep.
We will be home in 10 minutes. I will make you comfortable.
Look, there is the exit. Goodbye, hospital.
Let's hope we don't come back here for a long time.
I agree. Thank you for staying with me, Lily.
Always, Jake. That is what friends are for.
Welcome back. Did you watch the story carefully? It is time for a quick mini quiz. I have 3 questions for you. Answer yes or no. Are you ready? Question 1. Does Jake have a stomachache and a fever? The answer is yes. Poor Jake. Question 2. Does Lily call the dentist to make an appointment? The answer is no. She calls the medical clinic. Question 3. Does the doctor tell Jake to exercise and go to work? The answer is no. Jake needs to rest for 3 days. How many did you get right? You are doing great. Now, let's look at the red error challenge results. Did you find all 3 mistakes? Let's check. Mistake number 1. Jake said ID cake. The correct word is ID card. You don't give a cake to the receptionist. Mistake number 2. The doctor said, open your mouse. The correct word is mouth. We don't have mice in the clinic. Mistake number 3. The doctor said, take these bills. The correct word is pills. Medicine is much better than paying money. Great job, everyone. You helped Jake and Lily today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Practice your English every day, and we will see you in the next story. Goodbye for now. Stay healthy.